So we're going to continue our basic series and we're going to be learning this. So it's another basic move, but we're adding passes to it this time. So let's just go straight into it. So first of all, I want to see you, to initialize this move, I'm going to show you the two parts of the arm which we're going to be using. The rotation's going to be coming from here and it's going to be coming from the wrist, okay? This rotation, and then we can rotate this part of our arm here. What we're going to do, okay, is we're going to switch from this. Then we're going to bring the stick towards our body, and then we're going to initiate the arm, okay? So the next part of this then is going to be catching it on your bicep here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from the wrist straight to the arm, and we're going to bring the arm in towards us and the stick. So I go whoosh, whoosh. See how I kind of hug it into me like this? Right, next of all, to continue on this move, what we're going to do is we're going to bring our hand down and behind the rope like this. Kind of see? So I'll show you from this way. So I start here. I'm going to bring my hand into my face. I'm going to turn my hand in towards my mouth, and I'm going to hook my hand down and behind the rope like this, okay? Next of all is going to be a little bit of a tricky catch, okay, because we've got to straighten our arm. But this whole thing then is going to unlock, okay? What's going to happen, I'm going to show you here, is this, when I go, is going to come up like that. So watch. I come up and behind, and my hand goes back, ready to receive the nunchuck like so, okay? Now, the next part of the pass then happens from here. So the hand that is closest to you, okay, what we're going to do is we're going to throw this over the top and catch it like this. So there we are. That is the move. So whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. So we're utilising a redirect and a pass. I hope you're enjoying this basic series because it's designed to make you different spinners in an unconventional way that has not been taught on YouTube to this day. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time, guys. Pow. Peace out.